Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to my acoustic lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Gimme Gimme Good Lovin', written by Joey Levine and Richie Cordell, made famous by the 1960s pop band Crazy Elephant. It reached number 12 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1969. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, three very easy chords to play through this entire song. Let's look at them now. First chord, A major. There's a D. And there's a G major. That's it. Just those three chords. Let's look again. A major, a D, and a G major. Those three chords through the entire song, repeated over and over again. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at some strumming and some strumming techniques. Okay, the original version of this song has actually quite a quick tempo to it. For my cover, I'm actually going to slow down the tempo just a little bit. In addition, I use a capo on the first fret. I just prefer to sing in that key. Let's have a look now at the progression to the chords and a little bit of strumming. Starts, of course, on the A chord. Here we go. That's it. That's the chords and the chord progression through the entire song. Alright, so now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a little bit of a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. From Atlanta, Georgia, the Gulf Stream waters, up to California, hey. Gonna spend my life both night and day, yeah. Gimme good lovin' every night. Gimme good lovin', make it alright. Gimme good lovin' every night. Gimme good lovin', make it alright. Girls in Frisco, to the girls in New York City, to the girls in Texarkana, you better understand that I'm your man, yeah. Gimme good lovin' every night. Gimme good lovin', make it alright. Gimme good lovin' every night. Gimme good lovin', make it alright. And there you have it, Gimme Gimme Good Lovin' by Crazy Elephant. Thanks for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.